1. Hello everyone, welcome back to our Fancying 21. In today's video, we'll be discussing 10 tips for effective studying and better grades. 1. As we all know, studying can be a daunting task, but with the right strategies and techniques, it can be made much more manageable. 1. So let's get started. Tip number 1. Create a study schedule, 30 seconds. 1. The first tip is to create a study schedule. 1. By setting aside specific times each day or week for studying, you'll be able to prioritize your workload and make sure you're dedicating enough time to each subject. Tip number 2. Find a quiet and comfortable study space, 30 seconds. 1. Next, it's important to find a quiet and comfortable study space. 1. Whether it's a library, a coffee shop, or your own bedroom, make sure the environment is conducive to learning and free from distractions. Tip number 3. Eliminate distractions, 30 seconds. 1. Speaking of distractions, the third tip is to eliminate them. 1. This means turning off your phone, logging out of social media, and anything else that might tempt you to procrastinate or lose focus. Tip number 4. Take breaks and practice self-care, 30 seconds. 1. It's important to take breaks and practice self-care when studying. 1. This means giving yourself time to rest and recharge, whether that's through exercise, meditation, or simply taking a walk outside. Tip number 5. Use active learning techniques, 30 seconds. 1. Another tip is to use active learning techniques, such as note-taking, summarizing, and creating flashcards. 1. These techniques help you engage with the material and retain information more effectively. Tip number 6. Ask questions and seek help when needed, 30 seconds. 1. Don't be afraid to ask questions and seek help when needed. 1. Whether it's from your teacher, classmates, or online resources, there are plenty of resources available to help you succeed. Tip number 7. Join a study group or find a study buddy, 30 seconds. 1. Studying with others can also be incredibly helpful. 1. Join a study group or find a study buddy who shares your goals and can help keep you accountable. Tip number 8. Use technology and online resources, 30 seconds. 1. Technology and online resources can be incredibly useful for studying. 1. Whether it's a quiz app, a study group on social media, or online video lectures, there are plenty of ways to supplement your learning. Tip number 9. Set realistic goals and track your progress, 30 seconds. 1. Set realistic goals for yourself and track your progress along the way. 1. This will help you stay motivated and focused on your goals. Tip number 10. Review and practice material regularly, 30 seconds. 1. Finally, it's important to review and practice material regularly. 1. Whether it's through quizzes, flashcards, or practice exams, repetition is key to retaining information. Conclusion, 30 seconds. 1. And that's it for our 10 tips for effective studying and better grades. 1. Remember, studying can be challenging, but by using these strategies and techniques, you can make it more manageable and achieve your academic goals. 1. Thanks for watching and we'll see you in the next video.